Morning guys, it is official. Day 3 of my quest to get my driver's license. I'm heading right now to my driving school. It's a walkable distance. I found out 2 mistakes that I've done. My first mistake is not controlling the steering wheel and swerving off the road. My second mistake is releasing my leg from the clutches while I'm applying the brake, which automatically shuts down the car. So that is something that got my instructor very pissed off. He was irritated that I did that. So this week we are going to see if there is any new problem or if there is any new thing that I need to learn, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm heading there right now to my driving school, and we're going to drive for another 13 minutes, and after that I'm gonna give you guys the update, the problem that I find out, and how I'm going to tackle it. Day 3 officially over. I just concluded my 3rd day of class, and I have to say, Dominic Torito has nothing on me. Guys, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm overjoyed. My instructor is overjoyed. He told me, well, you are improving. This today was better than the previous week. Even I noticed that. Last week, yeah, I was feeling like an amateur, somebody who hasn't been in the car before. But after 2 classes, my passion and my motivation is off the roof. And with that motivation and that passion, I'm getting better every day. Last week, I made a mistake of releasing my leg from the clutch while applying the brake. But today, none of that happened. Everything went smoothly. There are a lot of classes that I haven't taken. I haven't taken on the reverse. I haven't taken on the parking yet. But just accelerating, controlling the steering wheel, and doing the indication, I'm acing everything.
The next day.
Morning guys, today is the Tuesday, the 26th of August 2025, and this is my day 4 entry on my journey to getting my driver's license. Well, for the past 3 days now, what I've been learning is how to control the ABCs of the car. What I mean about the ABCs is the accelerator, the brake, and then the clutch. So those are the ABCs of a car. So, and then how to change the gears, and also how to maintain the speed limit of a road. So that's what I'm learning right now. Today when I go, I'm gonna ask my instructor if I can record myself driving, if he's going to allow me to record myself driving. So this won't be just documents of me talking. You guys can actually see and know if I'm improving or if I'm not. Okay guys, we are here at it again. I just concluded my 4th class, and yeah, it's just the same thing over and over again, learning the relationship between clutch, brake, and handbrake, and then gear, changing the gear. And the most important thing that my instructor has been doing is every day is a different route. The previous routes that I've been going to, none of them had a robot. For some of you that are watching, robot is a traffic light. South African for some reason calls a traffic light robot. So the road that I've been driving on since doesn't have a robot. It's just tons and tons and tons. But today we went on an actual road, not an N2 road, but a normal proper road that has a robot and everything, tons and robots. So he's teaching me how to obey the road signs and the traffic lights. So that is an improvement today on what we did yesterday. And I went for tomorrow's class, and okay guys, I asked him for the videos, if he can take videos of me, but today I wasn't the only one in the car. There's another student who drove with me today, so he said it's like invading their privacy, and it is still too early for me to be taking videos, that I haven't fully have control of the car yet. That when I have full control of the car, when he's certain that I can drive alone without his supervision, then I can take videos. But other than that, it's been fun. Okay, this is entry for day number 4 on my journey to getting my driver's license. We still have 21 to go, because this is a 25 days class, so we still have 21 to go. I don't know if I'm gonna finish the whole 20 classes before my exam date, but I've submitted all my stuff and I'm waiting for them to give me the date that I'm going to write. Other than that, nothing else. So tomorrow we're going again and we're going to drive. Day 4 over.
The next day.
It's day 5, guys. To think that it's been 5 days of me learning how to drive a car, and to say that I'm actually getting better each day is an overstatement. It's an understatement, because guys, the way that I've been controlling this car, I think I'm gonna ask my instructor today what he thinks about me, and I'll ask him to speak to you guys on video and see if he's gonna allow that. But guys, I have to say, my control and everything has been amazing. Like I told you guys yesterday, we went through routes with robot and everything. So today I think we are still going to continue with that. I don't know, because I don't know what my instructor brings up every day, but what he told me is that every single day we're going to be taking different routes. Every day we're not gonna go the same route twice in a week. So every day different route, every day different route. We started by going through routes with turns and corners, so I can understand the way to adjust the steering and guide my way with the white line on the road. And yesterday we went through roads with robot stop signs and all those stuff, so that I can understand the road signs and how to control the clutch and the brake. So today I don't know what is going to happen today, and throughout the past 4 days I've been learning clutches, how to change gear from 1 to 2, because we haven't actually gone to gear 3 and reverse. I've reversed only twice, but after that I haven't done it again. So today when I go there, I'm going to ask him to help me or to teach me how to reverse properly, and maybe learn some parking. But I think the best thing to do is to just let the teacher teach, and as the student I will just keep calm and learn. But I will just ask questions, because there's no harm in asking questions. So I'll just ask questions and then I'll hear his answer. So guys, we are off to switch on driving school to take my driver's lesson. I'm actually late today. My class is normally 9 o'clock, but I'm going there by 11 o'clock. So I don't know. They might be pissed at me, but okay guys, today's class just ended, and guys, like I said, I'm in control of everything. But my instructor, being a man of high hardcore man, says making videos with me in the car or with him is still too early, so let's dial it down the notch. And that's it. The route we took today has we took different routes. So he took me to the one that has the turns, and also the ones that has the robot and stop signs and other stuff. So guys, I think that explains it all. Today has been done and dusted. I'll go back home now, watch some videos and take some notes on what I need to learn more, because